Study briefly the chanting of the Jagga Sutta. Yes, I downloaded them and it says no files. What do it have? This is the sutta relating the story of the war between Devatas and Asuras, and then how the king of Devatas and how advises all the Devas that whenever you are afraid, you look at my flag of this Indra, because he is the king, or of other main kings, he calls all of them. Buddha mentions then that is not the way you can overcome fear. So what is the way of overcoming fear? That is there in the last 4 verses which we'll read. Last 4 verses of the sutta. And then he relates it to the fear which bhikkhus feel when they go to the forest or last 4 verses of the sutta. There the summary is given by him. Aranye rukkha muleva sunyagareva bhikkhave anusareta sambuddham bhayam tumha kanasaya. Whether in forest or at the foot of a tree or in some secluded spot, O monks, do call to mind that Buddha Supreme, then will there be no fear to you at all. No che buddham sareyatha lokajitham narasanam atha dhammam sareyatha niyanikam sudesitam. If you think not of the Buddha, O monks, that Lord of the world and Chief of men, then do think of that Dhamma so well preached and leading to Nibbana. Noche Dhammam Sareyatha Niyanikam Sudesitam Atha Sangham Sareyatha Nimmuketam Anuttaram. If you think not of the Dhamma or monks, which is well preached and leading to Nibbana, then do think, O monks, of that Sangha, that wonderful field of merit to all. Evam buddham sarantanam dhammam sangham cha bhikkhave bhayam vacham vitaktam va gomaham surnahesati. To those recalling the Buddha Supreme, to those recalling the Dhamma Sublime, and to those recalling the Sangha, no fear, no terror will make them fear. These 4 verses are used as a parikta for overcoming fear. And then we come to our regular Sutrapatha, 5.11. I just now downloaded them, but they say not file not found. What happens? So it is continuation of those.
फैन एसी के फैन एसी के फैन की स्पीड तो धीरे कर सकते हैं थोड़ी सी आवाज
मूड शायद आपने वो कर दिया कूल से ड्राई कर दिया 25 है
लागू कर रहा है
नहीं ठंडा नहीं कर रहा 24 पर है
सिंबल तो ठंडे गई We will be 2 more disciples of that Brahmin saint, Jatukanni and Bhadrabuddha. So Jatukanni says, Sutvanaham Veeram Kamma Kamam Ogatigham Puthuma Kama Magam संतिपदम ब्रूहि सहजनेता यथा तच्चम भगवा ब्रूहि में सुत्वान अहम वीरम काम कामिम. So I have heard Sutwan Aham. I have heard that there is a hero, there is a Veera. There is a hero who has no sensuality, who has given up all kamas. Bhogatigham has crossed over the flood of samsara. Puthuma kamamagam. I have come to ask these questions. I have come with this desire to ask a question. Santipadam bruhi. Tell me that state of shanti, state of peace. Sahajanetra. Oh, the one with the, translated as quick eyes, it means one with vision, clear vision, natural vision. Sahajanetra. Netra means netra. Yatha tacham bhagava bruhi me. How does, please tell me that state of peace, O Blessed One, so that I can understand that, which is really one true, as it really is. Yatha tacham, tacham is real. So as it really is, please tell me that state of peace. Second part of the question.
Bhagava hi kame abhi bhuyo iriyati adicchov pathambim teji tejasa parittapannasya me bhuri panya achikha dhammam yamaham vijanya jati jaraye id vipahana.
Bhagava, O Blessed One, he kame abhuya, who have crossed over the sensuality, and iriyati, he dwells having crossed over the sensuality. Adicchava pathavim teji tejasa, just as the radiance of the sun surpasses that of the earth. The earth has hardly any radiance. Parittapanyasya me, I have a very limited wisdom. O Bhuri Panya, O one with profound wisdom. Achikha Dhammam, please show me, tell me the Dhamma, the way. Yamham Vijanam, by which I can know. Jati Jaraya Ida Vipahannam, how to give up, how to abandon the birth and death, birth and aging in this world. So that is his question.
Kamesu Vinaya Gedam Dhatu Kameto Ugitam Nirvatam Va Mate Vijitha Kimchana.
Kamesu Vinaya Gedam, to having put aside the attachment to sensual pleasures. Mekhamam, renunciation, Dhatu Khemato, Dhatu Khemasu, seeing that real safety is in renunciation, real peace is in renunciation. Uggahitam Nirattam Va, nothing he holds on and nothing he gives up. I mean, nothing is grasped and nothing be rejected by the Mahate Vijatta Kinchana, nothing whatsoever should you grasp or should you reject.
Tam visusi vachate mahu kinchana machi chelo gahesasi upasanto charisasi.
Yam pubbetam visohihi. So, visosehi, whatever was there before actually would be of the past, the defilements of the past. Pachate mahu kanchanam, and whatever would come after, which means whatever is the defilements related to the future. Madhye chen gahesasi, and neither should you grasp the in-between. Upasanto charisasi, then you will be able to dwell in peace. So this issue of before, after is I put down from the commentary. Before stands for defilements related to the past, that is thinking about the past. After stands for defilements related to the future. And in between stands for the 5 aggregates to which we get attached. This is the explanation given. Sabbaso nam rupasmin vitagedhasya brahmana asavasa navijyanti yehi machu vasam bhaje. So the Brahman was one completely devoid of greed for namarupam, for the individual body mind, asavasam vijjanti, and he has no asavas, no defilements, yehi machu vasam bhaje, so that he would not come under the spell, under the machu vash mein nahi aayenge, mrityu ke vash mein nahi aayenge. So he will go out of the sway of Mara. Then there are the 4 questions of Bhadravudha. Okanjayam tanha chiddam anejam nandijayam ogatinnam vimuttam kappanjayam aviyache yache sumedham sutvananagasya apanname issanti to. So I am making this request, yachayanti Aviyache Sumedham. I will request the one who is very Sumedha, who is very intelligent. Okajanyam, who is released from the houses, who is given up the homes, abandoned the homes. Tanha Chiddam, who is cut through the craving. Anejam, who is free from all desires. Nandinjayam, who has given up the delight. Ogatinnam, who has crossed over the flood. Vimuttam, who is liberated. Kappanjayam, who is beyond time. Kappam, who is beyond time. Aviyache Sumedham. To such a one I request. Sutvan Nagasya Apannamissanti ito. So these people who have come, having the great, hearing you the great one, the Naga, Apannamissanti, they will then go away. So he has come with large number of people. So he is telling them that all these people have come to listen to from you, and then he gives those adjectives. Then second,
what did he ask?
Yeah, he is going to ask. पहले तो प्रशंसा थी ना, and then questions is coming. First is the bhumika. So this, what is this? Nana jana janapadehi sangata. So very large number of people have come from various janapadas, from various lands. Tav vira vakyam avikankhamana. They are desirous of listening to your words, O the hero. Tesam tuvam sadhu vyakarahi. Please tell them in detail. Tathahite vidito esa dhamma. What have you found and known? What is the dhamma that you have found and known? So please tell them in detail. So this is the question.
Adhan tanham vinathe sabbam uddham adho tiriyan chapi majje yam yani lokasmimu padiyanti teneva maro anaveti jantu.
Adhan tanham. So you should control the kreva and tanha. Vinayetha sabbam. And the clinging for all. You should give up clinging for all. What does it mean? What all? Uddham, adho, tiryanchapi majje, which is above, below, across, and in between. So you should give craving for all of them. Now, what is this above, below, across? There are so many explanations which have been given for that. Above is the future, below is the past. I put down in the comments. Across, in between is the present. Or then above, another explanation is above is the Deva world, below is the hell, across in between is the human world, and so on. Above is the skillfulness, below is unskillfulness, across and in between is indeterminate mental qualities. Above is the formlessness, below is the property of sensuality, and across is the feeling of pleasure. So These are the various possible explanations which is given in the commentaries. The key thing what he is saying is, yam hi lokasmin upadayanti. In this world, whatever people cling to, teneva maro anavetu jantum. Through that, the Mara keeps on pursuing the people. So to whatever people will cling, Mara will keep on pursuing you through that means itself.
तस्मा पजान न उपादेयत भिक्षु सत्तु किंचानम सब्बलोके अदा नसते इति पेखा मनो पज्जम इमं मच्चुदेय विसाता.
Tasma pajanam na upadayanti. Therefore, the people, seeing this, the people should not cling to anything. Upadan nahi kare kisi भी चीज़ों से. O bhikkhu, he's telling him. So monks, sato kinchanam sabbaloke, he is mindful, and nothing whatsoever in this world should he cling to. Adana satte iti pekhamano. Having seen this, the consequences of entanglement, Pajam imam machudheye visukta. And you should say that it is like entangling in the death's realm, in the domain of the mrityu. So therefore, one should cling to nothing in all this world. So this is these two small suttas. So last time we had discussed these analogies of artwood. So I had mentioned there is a beautiful sutta, Maha Sarvopama Sutta. So I thought we should study it. It basically gives an idea of where we get trapped.
So Jansa was taking the analogy of
Yes. Same analogy जो कल पिछली बार दीपक ने डाउनलोड तो किए थे बट मैं पता नहीं है. I don't know how it shows in download history and says file not in.
It's not the message.
phone is phone था. एवं मे सुतम एकं समयं भगवा राजगहे विहरति गिज्जकूटे पब्बते अचिरपक्कन्ते देवदत्ते. So he's talking about that I have heard ekang samayam bhagava rajgahe viharati. One time he was dwelling in Rajgraha, Gijjakute Pabbate. There is a Gijjakuta mountain which is also known as vulture peak. Gijji means that. Pabbate Achirpakkante Devadatte. Soon after Devadatta had left. So that is the background here. So this Gijjakut Parvat is still there. So if you visit राजगृह में नहीं है जहाँ ऊपर गए थे और उसके बगल में जो था, हम तो रोपवे से गए थे साथ वाले पर्वत पे, उसके बगल में जहाँ हम पैदल जाने की कोशिश की थी जब सांप ने क्रॉस कर लिया था. तत्र को भगवा देवदत्तम आरभ्य भिक्खु आमन्तेस. Then referring to Devadatta, the blessed one addressed the bhikkhus thus. I believe
इदा भिक्खवे एकच्चो कुलपत्तो.
It is so easy, I think we should be able to translate it.
सद्धा अगर सम्मा अनागार्यम पब्बजितो होती. ओतिन्यो मही जातिया जराया मरणेया शोके ही परिदेवे ही दुख एहि दोमनस्ये ही उपायासे ही दुःखोतिन्नो दुःखापरणेतो अपेवा नामा इंसा केवलस्सा दुःखखण्डस्सा अंतर्क्रिया पन्या येथा.
So, do you understand some things?
So, वो सब तो था ना.
इद भिक्खवे एकचो कुलपुत्तो. ओ भिक्खुस, one clansman, कुलपुत्रो ना किसी कुल का पुत्र, श्रद्धा आगरस्मा, having got faith, आगारस्मा अनागारियम पब्बजितो होती. From home life, agarasma, to anagariam, from homelessness, पब्बजितो becomes प्रवर्जित होता है. He becomes goes forth into that. Why does he do that? He is telling what is the reason. Thinking what? Uttinnom hi jatiya jaraya maranasya soke hi par. I am a victim of this. What is the victim of? Jati jara maran shok paradev dukha do manasya upayasa. Dukhito uttinno dukha pareto. I am victim of suffering. Dukha pareto, I have prey to suffering. अपैव नाम इमस्य केवलस्य दुख खंडस्य अंतक्रिया पन्यायेता. कोई ना कहीं तो उसका अंत होगा ही. Surely an end to this whole mass of suffering can be known. He says this is the objective with which a person becomes a bhikkhu. He leaves home and becomes a homeless person. Then what happens?
सो एवं अपजतो समनो लाभ सत्कार सिलोकम अभिनिभवति. सो तेना लाभ सत्कारा सिलोकेना आत्मनो होति परिपुण्य संकप्पो. सो तेना लाभ सकारे सिलोकेना अत्तानु कामेसेति परम वम भेति. अहमस्मि लाभ सकारा सिलो कवा इमे पन्ये भिक्खु अपान्यता अपे सखा. तेना लाभ सखा रेस सिलोकेना मचति पमाजति पमादम पाजति. पमोतो समनो दुखम विरति.
कुछ बात बनी नहीं. एक सेंटेंस करो. लाभ तो क्लियर है. वो सत्कारा जो है सत्कार होता है ना हिंदी में. सत्कारा इज ए पारी वर्ड फॉर सत्कार. लाभ और सत्कार करो. ठीक है ना. सिलोकम उसको फेमस हो जाता है. सो एवं पब्बजितो. सो जब ऐसा होता है व्हेन ही बिकम्स प्रवर्जित हो जाता है. समनो मॉन्क लाभ सत्कार और Abhinibbeti, he acquires that. The people praise him, they honor him, कि भाई तुमने घर छोड़ के भिक्षु बन गए हो. So he gets that praise and honor and gain. सोतेन लव सत्कार से लोकेन अत्तमनो होती, वो उससे बहुत खुश हो जाता है. अत्तमनो, was very pleased with it. परिपुण्य संकल्प, और उसी से उसका संकल्प पूरा हो जाता है. वो कहता काफ़ी है, यही काफ़ी है. परिपूर्ण संकल्प. सो एंड हिज इंटेंशन इज फुलफिल्ड. अब और क्या रह गया? फॉरगेट्स व्हाट इज द ओरिजिनल पर्पस. सोतेन लाभ सत्कार से लोकेन अत्तानुकम्म सेति परम अभेति. सो ही लॉर्ड्स हिमसेल्फ एंड डिस्पैरेजेस अदर्स. देखो व्हाट इज, व्हाई डज ही अहम अस्मि लाभ सत्कार से लोके, वह मेरे को तो लाभ और सत्कार और इतना प्रशंसा मिल रही है. इमे पन्ने अन्य भिक्षु, ये जो दूसरे भिक्षु हैं ना, अन्य पन्ने दूसरे भिक्षु अन्य भिक्षु हैं, अपन्याते अपसक्ति, ये किसी काम के नहीं है. ये तो बिल्कुल कोई जानता ही नहीं इनको. नोबडी नोज देम, दे आर ऑफ नो यूज.
तो अन्य भिक्षु उस टाइम के अदर रेनसिएट्स होते थे कि
नहीं, अपने भी होंगे भाई. सारे भिक्षु तो रिनाउन नहीं पाते ना. आउट ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल बिकम renunciate. Some people acquire, say, some special capabilities of some bigot, famous. So he thinks.
बेचारे वहाँ पर सारे एक दूसरे को देखते होंगे, ये तो बढ़िया आगे, मैं पीछे.
तो वो that kind of a attitude comes in, कि मैं तो आगे बढ़ गया और ये लोग तो अभी पीछे ही रह गए. These bhikkhus are unknown, of no account. तो किसी वैल्यू के नहीं है. So what happened? So तेन लाभ सत्कार से लोकेन मज्जति पमज्जति. He becomes intoxicated. Majjata, madhya means alcohol. He becomes intoxicated with that gain and honor. So तेन लाभ सत्कार से लोकेन मज्जति पमज्जति पमादम अपज. And as a result of that, नेग्लिजेंट हो जाता, प्रमाद में चला जाता. ही बिकम्स नेग्लिजेंट. पमत्तो समनो दुखम विहरति. एंड हैविंग बिकम नेग्लिजेंट, ही लिव्स इन सफरिंग. एंड देन ही गिव्स द एनालॉजी ऑफ इट. से सारथी को
सारंगवेसी सारा परियसम समम चरामनु महातो दुखासा इतिहातो सरवतो अतिखेनवा सरम अतिकम्मा एकम अतिकम्मा उच्चम अतिकम्मा अपतिकम सखा आलस्यम चेतवा आदिया अखेनया सरंती मारना मानो तनेसेनली चक्कुमा परिपुरुषो देवस्य बहु वेदया ना वत्तयं भवं पुरुषो अनस्सीरं न अनस्सी एकं न अनस्सी तच्चं न अनस्सी अतिकं न अनस्सी
अन्य न अन्य. न के ऊपर एन के ऊपर वो है अन्य जानना.
अनस्सी तच्चं न अनस्सी अपतिकं न अनस्सी संकप अनसं तथायं भवं पुरुषो सारथिको सारगवासी सारा परिसेयं चरामनु मुहूर्ता दुखोसा इत्युक्तो सर्वतो अतिखेनवा सरम अतिकम्मा अल्पम अतिकम्मा उच्चम अतिकम्मा अपतिकम सत्कपनसम चेतवा अभियो अखंतो शरीरधि मानो इच्छसा शरीर सराकाराय नियम एकदम
Se yathapi means, suppose, like this is an example. Bhikkhave puruso sarathiko. Sara means the essence actually. Sara means the essence, but here it also means the essence of the tree, the hardwood, that is called the central portion of the tree, the hardwood of the tree. So suppose puruso sarathiko, Sara Gavesi, who is in lookout for the essence. Sara Pariyesanam Charamana, who is dwelling, who is going around looking for the hardwood. Mahato Rukhasya Titthato, he comes to a big tree and standing in front of that, which Saravato, he sees that, and the tree has the essence in it, but which has the Sara, which has the soft hardwood. What does he do? Atikamma, he goes Atikamman kar deta. He Atikamma Saram, he actually leaves aside the hardwood. Atikamma Phegum, he leaves aside the immediate softwood surrounding it. Atikamma Tacham, he leaves about its inner bark. Atikamma Papattikam, leaves about the outer bark. Sakha Palasam Chetva, Shakhaon ko, branches. He takes the tree leaves and the branches, Chetva, unko kaat ke, Adaya Pakkam Maya, and he thinks that they are the hardwood. Saram Manyamana, thinking that it is the hardwood, takes the leaves and the twigs. Then what will happen? Tamemam Chakhuma Puruso Disva, then seeing a person with eyes, Chakhuma, उसकी आँखें हैं, वो उसको देख के एवं बदेया क्या कहेगा? न वत भयम पुरुषो अन्यासी सारा, इस आदमी को न सार की मालूम था, न अन्यासी फेगुम, ना इसको सॉफ्टवुड मालूम थी क्या है, न अन्यासी तच्चम, ना इसको इनर बार्क पता है, न अन्यासी पपत्तिकम, ना इसको आउटर बार्क पता है, न अन्यासी शाखा पल्लस, शाखा पल्लस उनको भी नहीं जानता है. तथा हयम भ्यवम पुरुषो सारथिको सारगवेसी सार परियेसनम चरमानो महतो रुक्षस्य तिष्ठतो सारवतो अतिकम्मेवा सारम अतिकम्मा फेगुम अतिकम्मा तच्चम अतिकम्मा पपट्टिकम शाखा पलसम चेत्वा आदाय पक्कम को सारंती मन्यमान. मतलब ये आदमी ना तो उसको समझता है कि सार क्या है, ऐसे पेड़ के सामने भी आ गया. He came in front of a tree which had this hardwood, but he has been searching for hardwood all along, and yet he gave up the essence, he gave up the surrounding softwood, he gave up the inner bark, he gave up the outer bark, and he took the leaves and twigs, thinking that this is the hardwood of the tree. Yancha sarena sara karaniyam tancha अर्थम नानुभविष्यंत, उसका वो अर्थ जो उसको काम उस हार्डवुड से करना था, वो काम उसका पूरा नहीं होने वाला. So it explains in full detail that how the analogy, कोई आया कुछ ढूंढने और पत्तियां काट के निकल के चला गया, and then he relates it to that. एवं एव को भिक्खवे इधर कच्चो कुल्ल पत्तो श्रद्धा, and he repeats all of them. इसी तरह से वो भिक्खु कोई कुलपुत्र श्रद्धा से होके, motivated by the fact that I want to come over, cross over suffering and all that, so he repeats all of that. Labha sara sakkara se lokam abhinibhyati, who gets caught in the labha, in gain and honor and renown, and then dwells in suffering. Ayam uchchati bhikkhuve, bhikkhu sakha palasam aghahesmi brahmacharyam yes tena chevosana appari. So he said this, such a bhikkhu is called the one who has taken the twigs and leaves of the holy life and stopped at that.
Primarily for addressed to bhikkhus.
Yeah, who are getting out. It all we can apply to ourselves wherever we are. Even meditators also become famous and can get caught in that. So that's the first level of getting caught.
In some tradition, the very traditional meditators become very famous by how many courses they have done.
Yeah,
so they get into that.
Whatever, or by becoming assistant teacher, or become, और भी ज़्यादा हो गया. Gain and renown, then you get praise, then you get honor, then you
There you actually see that everybody bowing to
Yeah.
you.
So you can get trapped in that. That's it. That's the end of the story. So it's a very. अभी तो आगे आप पढ़ेंगे तो you will be surprised what kind of things he discounts.
So Arpan has this question that was Devdatta's case one of renown, honor and gain?
Was
Devdatta's case of
yeah.
Renown.
Not only renown, something more also, which will come later. It got great power of concentration. It gained a lot of psychic powers, so it became very famous. And he used to display those psychic powers to kings, and that's how the kings became his. The king Ajatashatru became his devotee, and then he plotted with him to kill Buddha, and saying, "I will become the leader of the Sangha and you will be the king, so we'll have good relationship," because Ajatashatru was not on good terms with Buddha in the beginning. He always had a feeling that this Buddha has spoiled my father and so I had to kill him.
His father was Ashok.
His father was Bimbisara, who was the king and was a disciple of Buddha and would become a Sotapam. And then when Ajatashatru grew, he saw all this happening and he was very upset with it. And then his father was not relinquishing the throne, so he got him killed. So therefore, during that phase, Devdatta was his very close friend. And so Devdatta actually incited him to first kill his father, then kill Buddha, and then he'll become the leader of Sangha, he'll become leader of the country, and they will have a wonderful time. So that's the brief story of it. Then comes this second part of it. Idapana bhikkhave ekaccho kulaputto saddha agarasma anagariyam pabbajito hoti. Hotinum hi jatiya jaraya marana soke hi parideve hi dukkha domanasya hi upaya se hi. Dukkho tinno dukkha pareto kveva nama imasya kevalasya dukkhandasya antakariya. So evam pabbajito samano labha sakkarasya lokam avinibbite. So tena labha sakkarasya lokena na attamano होती न परिपूर्णा संकल्प. जब उसको लाभ सत्कार मिला तो वो उससे प्रसन्न नहीं होता, उसी से सेटिस्फाई नहीं होता, एंड उसका संकल्प भी उससे पूरा नहीं होता. He doesn't think that his intention is complete by that. So तेन लाभ सत्कारेण श्लोकेन न अत्तानुकम्मसेति न परम अभेति. So तेन लाभ सत्कारेण न मज्जति. So उसमें प्रमादित नहीं होता. It doesn't get intoxicated with that. न प्रमादम अपविजति. So therefore he is not become negligent with this. Apamatto samano sila sampadam arabhati. So by not becoming negligent, he acquires sila sampada. He becomes follows the precepts very thoroughly. Arabhati, he acquires, sila sampada ka hai. Shil ki sampada ko becomes virtuous of that. So तया शील संपदाय अत्तमनो होती परिपूर्णा संगम. अब वो उस शील संपदा के साथ प्रसन्न हो गया खूब कि मैं इतना शीलवान हूँ, एंड ही थिंक्स दिस इज वंडरफुल. सो तया शील संपदाय अत्त कम्मे से परम. सो देन ही टेक्स इट पर्सनली एंड देन सेज अहम अस्मि शीलवा कल्याण धम्मो. मैं शीलवान हूँ, कल्याण धम्मो. इमो पन अन्य भिक्खु, ये दूसरे भिक्खु जो हैं दुष्शीला पाप धम्मो. ये सारे शीलवान नहीं है, बिल्कुल पापी लोग हैं, इविल कैरेक्टर है इनका. सो तया शील संपदाय मज्जति पमज्जति पमादम आपज्जति पमत्तो समनो दुखम. So he becomes intoxicated with that attainment of virtue, becomes negligent, falls into negligence, and then being negligent he lives in suffering. So this is the second level when a person can get trapped.
पहला वाला तो फिर भी दो था कि थोड़ा मटेरियल पोजेशंस के ऊपर बोला था. अब तो स्पिरिचुअल पोजेशंस में आ गया.
This one is getting trapped in the good character. It sounds so counterintuitive. The point being made is his thought, I am virtuous of good character, and these people are immoral. So being moral also can trap you in that. And then he gives the example further. Say yathapi bhikkhave puriso sarathiko saragavesi sarapariyesanam charmano ahato rukhasya tittvato saravato atikameva saramatikamma phegumatikamma tacham papattikam chetva adaya pakammaya saranayati. Just as a person seeking hardwood, in search of hardwood and wandering all around for hardwood, he comes to a great tree which has the hardwood, and he passes over the hardwood, passes over its surrounding sapwood, passes over the inner bark, and he cuts off the outer bark and takes it away, thinking this was the hardwood. Then again he repeats the same thing, that if a person with good sight, this is the person with good sight is the simile for the Buddha, who sees the whole thing, who is able to see. And so this good man did not know the hardwood, did not know anything. He did not know the tricks. Thus while needing hardwood, he cut off the outer bark and took it away, thinking it is hardwood. And key thing that is pointing out, whatever he wanted to do with that hardwood, he will not be able to do. So that purpose will not be fulfilled. So, evam eva ko bhikkhave ida kaccho kullaputto saddha agarasma anagariyam kubhajito hoti. So एक कुलपुत्र जो है, एक लैंसमैन, फेथ और श्रद्धा में भर के घर छोड़ के भिक्षु बनता है, प्रवर्जित हो जाता है, and then he goes through all those phases and comes to this point, aham asmi shilava kalyana dhammo ime pananye bhakku dushila papa dhammo. So he becomes, when a person thinks like that, someone who, then he lives in suffering. He becomes negligent and lives in suffering. Aham uchiti bhikkhave bhikkhu papatikam adhayesi brahmacharyasya tena chogoshanam mahapad. So इस तरह के जो भिक्षु है उसको कहते हैं जिसने he has taken the outer bark of the holy life and stopped short of that.
क्विक से
बात पे आ गया, बट वहीं पर रुक गया जहाँ पहुँचना चाहा, जो उद्देश्य था, the basic the objective was that I am suffering, given to suffering, and repeated birth and death. This is suffering, shok paradev, dukkha do manasya. All that is forgotten. He is caught in that trap that I have become virtuous, शीलवान हो गया मैं, और ये सब तो शीलवान लोग तो हैं नहीं, और दुष्शील लोग तो चारों तरफ दिख ही जाएंगे आपको. And so he has taken the outer bark of the holy life.
इधापना भिक्खवे,
इधपन आ जब होगा ना एक के ऊपर मात्र तब, ये तो इधर.
मैं हिंदी में पढ़ता हूँ तो इंग्लिश में पढ़ने की आदत कम है. इधपन भिक्खवे एकच्चो कुलपुत्तो सद्धा सो एवं पब्बजितो समानो लाभ सक्खरा सिलोकम अभिनिबत्तेति सोतेन लाभ सक्कारा सिलोकेन न मज्जति न पमज्जति न पमादान आपजति अपमत्तो समानो शील संपदम आराधेति सोताय शील संपदाय आत्मानो होती नो च खो परिपुण्य संकप्पो सोताय शील संपदाय न अत्तानु कामसेति न परम वम्बेति सोताय शील संपदाय न मज्जति न पमज्जति न पमादाम अपजति अपमत्तो समानो समाधि संपदम आराधेति सोताय समाधि संपदाय आत्मनो होति परिपुण्य संकप्पु सोताय समाधि संपदाय अत्तानुकम कंसेति परम वम्भेति अहम समी समाधितो
अस्मि
अहम अस्मि समाधितो एक गच्छतो इने पन्ने भिक्खु अस्माद्हिता विभन विभन्ता चित्ताति सोताय समाधि संपदाय मज्जति पमदम अपजति पमत्तो समन्नो दुखम विहरति। समाधि पे आ गया।
इससे पहले अपन का एक क्वेश्चन था, if someone is Shilvan, how is that to be interpreted in terms of causes and conditions?
not to be taken personally. Key thing is that one becomes intoxicated with gain and honor and renown. That is the problem. It's not the problem is not the becoming Shilvan. Problem is that you become to see others as not being Shilvan.
So, I think what Arpan was pointing out is causes and conditions. So, can we say that one has become Shilvan because of the causes and conditions?
Yeah, of course. Because he is not with the renown which he got because of becoming bhikkhu, that वो उसके सिर पे नहीं गया, आके काम करता रहा. He's in practicing, and by practicing slowly, the first stage of practice would be he becomes quite established in the Shila. So the establishment of Shila is because he has practiced that Shilas for long periods of time, and therefore he gains that confidence that I am now endowed with the Shila. But if I am endowed with the Shila and others are not, then the key thing everywhere is I am better than others. That is the key which is really operating at every stage. Whether it is Shilvan, now it is talking about the
सरपन सिंह कि अरे वो खुद ही तो शीलवान है, इसमें कॉजेस कंडीशन कहाँ से आ गए? वो खुद ही तो शीलवान है, इसमें कॉजेस एंड कंडीशंस कहाँ से आ गए?
ये लगता है ना, अगर वो होता तो पहले ही शील वाला होता क्या? अगर क्या हम सब पहले उतने शीलवान थे जितने हम साधना से पहले थे, उतने ही शीलवान आप हैं, ज़्यादा शीलवान? We can match with our own. If we have become more careful and we are able to see where the shilas break, we don't exaggerate the truth, we don't underplay it, we say things as they are, because शील का रिफाइनमेंट होता है ना, लोग किस लेवल तक उसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, दैट इज नॉट इनबॉर्न, अटेन थ्रू प्रैक्टिस. सम्मा वाचा, सम्मा कम्मंतो, सम्मा आजीवो, all the three aspects of Shila have to be cultivated. One is not inborn with all that. And if it is one born, maybe he is a Shutapanna from the previous lives. He is inborn with those characteristics.
So then this actually validates what I think Arpan is saying, that if he cultivates, then he says, I have cultivated rather than causes and conditions.
No, it's not true. That is the key issue. Who is it the person who has cultivated? When we inquire, who is the person who has cultivated? The body has cultivated, the Vedana has cultivated, Sanya has cultivated, Sankhara has cultivated, consciousness has cultivated. So with what? Basically because of the combination of all the five factors, that and association with right people, association with hearing the right Dhamma. The majority of the people today in modern times think that not paying taxes is not a big issue. People are, जो सरकार चोरी कर रही है हमारे पैसे को, majority of the people think like that. Because that is the way they look at the world. So the refinement happens like that. So one may not be stealing from somebody's house, but not paying taxes also not stealing. But to be able to see that needs a refinement. It's not easy to see that. Most meditators who are businessmen are not able to see it. Just giving one example. You can similarly see other things. Social drinking. ठीक है, I'm not getting intoxicated all over. मैंने कहा intoxicate नहीं होना चाहिए. Going to a casino. It is just entertainment. Why are you taking it seriously?
Arpan has a very funny comment. Sir, कि दर साहब मुश्किल जीवन को और मुश्किल बना रहे हैं. by feeling that
मुश्किल जीवन को सरल करने के लिए बैठ कर रहे हैं.
So the next one was say happy.
इधर पन्ना बिखरे
बड़े बड़े हैं नहीं.
एवं विखो विखो. So ekaccho kulaputto saddha and so on. And he gets Shila, he gets firstly gain and renown. He is able to distance himself from it. He gets endowed with Shila. He does not take that also personally. Then he practices. Because of not taking personally, he is able to practice because then he doesn't fall into negligence. So he practices and attains concentration. Shila के बाद समाधि का अभ्यास करेगा. And he attains concentration, but he then starts taking that person. And then he says, Aham asmi samahito, ekagra chitto, मैं समाहित हूँ, एकाग्र चित्त हूँ. इमे panna भिक्षु है, ये जो दूसरे भिक्षु है ना, असमाहिता, बिल्कुल एकाग्र कोई चित्त नहीं है, विभ्रांत चित्त है, इनका चित्त तो इधर उधर फैला रहता है. सोतया समाधि मम पदाय मज्जति पमज्जति, तो उसमें इंटॉक्सिकेट हो जाता है. He gets intoxicated in the concentration attainment and becomes negligent of further practice and therefore dwells in suffering. And then the example given is Seyathapi bhikkhave puriso sarathiko sargavesi phegum tacham chetva adaya pakkamaya saranti manyamano tameham chakkhuma puriso disva evam vadeya navatayam bhavam puriso anyam saram Sarmano Mahato Rukasya Titrato Saravato Atikameva Saram Atikamam Phegum Tacham Chetva Adaya Pakkanto Saranti Manyamano Yancha Sarena Sarkananiyam Sancharitas नानुभवसंति. वो काम उसका पूरा नहीं होगा जिस काम के लिए वो हार्टवुड को ढूंढ रहा था. क्यों? बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ मैन हु इज सीकिंग हार्टवुड. ही would cut off its inner bark. Outer bark से वो inner bark पे आ गया and taking it away thinking it is the hardwood. So even with that inner bark also he will not be able to do the things which was the objective of which he could have done with the hardwood. Evam eva kho bhikkhave id kaccho kulapatto saddha agara smanagariyam pabbajito hoti and so on. Sotaya samadhin pamadaya samadhin sampadaya pammajjati. Samadhi sampada में प्रमादित हो जाता है. मद्यपान की तरह उसको करता है. becomes intoxicated with that. पमत्तो अपमादम अपज्जति पमत्तो समनो दुखम विहरति. प्रमाद में आ जाता है. he becomes negligent and then lives in suffering. अयम विच्चति भिक्खवे भिक्खु तच्चम मग्गाहेसी ब्रह्मचर्य यस्य तेन चोगो सानम मापति. So such a bhikshu who gets intoxicated with the attainment of concentration, it is like one. He is said to be like the one who took away the inner bark of the holy life. So he has taken away not the soft, but still inner bark of the holy life. He still got caught on that concentration.
So is hardwood the most useful?
I don't know. It is used as an example a number of times. That must be useful from certain perspectives. जो carpenters हैं वो probably would prefer that. Because outer bark तो काम आएगा नहीं किसी भी. Maybe inner bark also is not of good quality and this hardwood might be very smooth and without knots and all that. So from the carpentry point of view, that might be the case. Now next one is going to be really tough for us to crack.
Idha panna bhikkhave ekaccho kulaputto saddha dharasma anagaryam papajito hoti.
So it is repeating it again and again ताकि वो बात समझ आए कि आगार से अनागारिया क्यों बने थे, अनागारी इसलिए बने थे, भूलना चाहिए. So he repeating it again because all of us have a tendency to forget. No?
Yeah.
All of us have a tendency to forget that we became good men. We wanted to enter the path for sake of complete extinction of suffering, not for stress relief and temporary gain and renown and even concentration, because concentration would lead to tranquility. So even for tranquility is not the objective of meditation, ultimate objective. This is a point which really needs to be deeply assimilated. और ये तो बिल्कुल ही amazing thing.
सोताया समाधि संपदया
संपदाया, वो एक्चुअली उन्होंने पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे कर रखा. संपदा, संपदा होती है ना, संपदा कहते हैं ना हमारी वेल्थ से, समाधि वेल्थ. पहले शील संपदा थी, समाधि संपदा.
समाधि संपदया
न मज्जति. He doesn't get intoxicated with that.
न पमादं भजति अपामतो समानो ज्ञान दर्शनम आराधेति. सो तेना ज्ञान दर्शन अर्थमनो होति परिपुण्य संकपो. सो तेना ज्ञान दर्शनेन अत्तानुकमिसेति परम वम भेति. अहमस्मि जानम पसम विहारमि इमे पन्याने भिक्खु अजानम अपसम विरक्ति. सो तेना न्यादसेना मजति पमाजति पमादम अपजति पमतो समनो दुःखम विरति.
So what is now going on? So the same story goes on further. The person attains gain and renown, he doesn't get caught in that. He attains, she becomes Shilvan, he doesn't get caught in that. He becomes Samadhivan, Samadhi Sampada, he doesn't get caught in that. Now with that Samadhi, what happens? He is able to gain, he see things clearly, and he gets knowledgeable, he understands that. So what he says, so taya samadhim sampadaya na majjati napam. When he does not get intoxicated with that, then he continues to practice. He doesn't become negligent. And then what happens? Appamatto samano jnana dasanam aradhati. He acquires, he gains the ability to see and get knowledge about it. So tena jnana dasena attamano, so becomes very happy with that. परिपूर्ण संकल्प हो, ये भी बहुत है. अब तो क्या सब मुझे समझ में आ गया बात. Everything I am able to see things and I am able to understand properly. So he becomes, and then what happens? अहम अस्मि जानम पस्सम विहरमि. मैं तो जानता हूँ सब कुछ, मैं तो ये भी जानता हूँ सब कुछ अनात्मा है, ये भी बात मुझे समझ में आती है. And I can see that it is true. But then, in a very subtle way, अहम अस्मिन् जानम पश्यन्. मैं हूँ जो जानता है और जो नॉलेजेबल है और जिसका विजन है, who is able to see things clearly. इमे अन्य भिक्खवे अजानम अपस्यम. ये दूसरे भिक्षु तो बिल्कुल बेचारे अविद्या में पड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन कुछ नहीं इनको मालूम, कुछ मालूम ही नहीं सत्य क्या है. सो तेन ज्ञानदस्येन मज्जति, वो अब उस ज्ञान दर्शन में ही इंटॉक्सिकेट हो जाता है, ही टेक्स दैट एज पर्सनल अटेनमेंट। मज्जति प्रमादम अपज्जति, एंड बिकम्स नेग्लिजेंट, डजंट टेक नेक्स्ट स्टेप। Then what is the analogy? Se yathapi bhikkhuve puriso sarathiko saravatto atikammaya saram phegum phekva adaya pekantu sarampi nennamano yanche sarena sakarem sarakannim tacha atham nanubhavasya. So this example is given that just as a person who is seeking heartwood comes to a tree which has the heartwood, he leaves aside the leaves and twigs, he leaves aside inner bark, he leaves aside the outer bark, but he then comes to the sapwood, the soft wood, and cuts it, thinking it is the heartwood. And whatever it was this good man meant to make, he will still not be able to do it. Evam ko bhikkhave yadakaccho kulapatto saddha agara asminnanagarya. So when a person becomes this, with this objective, but gets caught in this, aham asmi janam passam viharami, ime panyanye bhikkhu ajanam apassam viharanti, so tena jnanadasyena attamanno. So when he becomes very happy with that, takes it personally, in his objective gets apparently fulfilled, so then he becomes intoxicated with that and then discourages others. As a result, he becomes negligent. And then such a bhikkhu is said to be the one who has taken the soft wood, the sap wood of the holy life, and he has stopped short with that. Tena cho osana apatti, stopped with that. So that is the penultimate situation which one can get trapped in. Then we have the next one. Then Vedapana bhikkhave ekatto
bhikkhave bhikkhu goputto sattva agasama anarve vapujiti koti sutaya samadhisya sampradaya na majjati na pamajjati na pamadam apajati kapamattu samanu na nadisari aradhiti sudena nana desana attamanobuti paripunnasu to sudena nana desana attamukam naseti param vinayeti aham asmi jnanam vasam viharini kini अन्य विक्री अजान अपसम विहरती सुगतेन नाना तस्मी नामचति मचति मानव अपमजति अमत्तो समन्वय दुःखम विहरति।
ये तो हो गया।
नेक्स्ट पढ़ना है। अच्छा, सेया तपी विक्री पुरुषो साराथिको सारावतु अतिकेनो सरम कंकम चिद्वादया पखंडु सरम ति मानमानु यंचसा सरेन सदा कल्याण्यं तमसा अत्तम अनुभवेति अवस्थि एवमेव कोहि एवमेव विक्खवे इति त्वच्चो कुलपुत्रो सद्धा अगर समा अनार्दन्यम अमज्जति अहि अहास्मस्मि जानम असम विहरामि किमि तन्नेमि विक्खवे अजन अपसम विहरन्ति सुतेन नानादस्यनेन अत्तमानोति परिपुण्यसु संपक्को सुदीना नानादस्ना अत्तन्तमिसेति परं वियोति सुतेन नानादस्ना मज्जति परिजति प्रमादम् अपमजति कमातु समन्वय दुःखं विहरति अयं उच्यते भिक्खवे भिक्खु वेगम् अग्रहेसि ब्रह्मचर्यसा तेन च कोसम् अपि
Vedapana bhikkhave ekaccho kulapattu, same story about a bhikshu. Jnana dasan na attanukammati. So he comes up to from the honor, he does not get attached with honor, he does not get attached with Shila, he does not get attached with concentration, he does not get attached with Jnana Darshana also. So tena Jnana Darsena na majjati, and na pamajjati, na pamadam appajati. So therefore he does not fall into pramad, he doesn't fall into heedlessness. Appamatto samano asam ya vimokam arabheti. So he attains complete liberation. When he is not given, does not get attached to knowledge and vision, taking it personally, being diligent, he then eventually attains perpetual liberation. Attanametam bhikkhave anavaskaso yam so bhikkhu taya asmaya vivittaya pariyayati. It is impossible for that bhikkhu to fall away from that perpetual deliverance. Se yathapi bhikkhave puriso saratiko tittato saravato saranyeva chetva adaya pakkanto. So suppose a man needing heartwood, he eventually cuts off the heartwood. Then whatever he wanted to do with that heartwood, that person would be able to do. So that carpenter or whatever would be able to do because he has really cut the heartwood. Similarly, evam ko bhikkhave ed kaccho kuluputto saddha agarasmin anagaryam papajito hoti. Otinnomhi, so he becomes anagarika because he wants to completely come out of this suffering, and then if he does not get caught in the jnana dasana and practices further, then he becomes completely liberated, and then it is impossible for him to fall away from that. Such a bhikkhu is called to one who has really taken the essence of the teachings, essence of the holy life. So then conclusion is, so this holy life bhikkhu, itiko bhikkhave naedam brahmacharyam labha sakkara silokana nisamsam na shila sampada nisamsam na samadhi sampada nisamsam na jnana darsana nisamsam yachokho ayam bhikkhave akuppa cheto vimutti etad brahmam bhikkhave. So this holy life does not have gain, honor and renown for its objective, or the attainment of virtue as its objective, or the attainment of concentration as its objective, or the knowledge of vision for its objective, but it is this unshakable deliverance of mind. Akuppa cheto vimutti, unshakable deliverance of the mind, that is the goal of this holy life, its heart. So this is what the Buddha said, and bhikkhus were delighted in the blessed words. Mahasarokama Suttam Nityatam Navam. So this is the end of this Mahasarokama Suttam. The simile, the great simile of the heartwood. And a great discourse on the simile of the heart. So if there are any discussions and questions, we can add to it.
Any questions upon Deepti Sudhakar? Sudhakar is taking no chance.
Go. आपको
साथ ही आएंगे ठीक है।
So Sudhakar is typing something. In the meantime, sir, मैंने घर में बात कर ली थी वैसे, so most likely मैं चल पड़ूँगा, और बेटी को बस मनाना पड़ेगा।
और कुछ होगा तो वही बताइए। 12 सैटरडे को जाना है।
सैटरडे मॉर्निंग।
गर्ल्स से भी मिश्रा का चाहिए।
अपन is saying बेटी को साथ ले चलो, but वो एक्चुअली मुश्किल हो रहा है, तो बीच में एक दिन स्कूल भी होगा या आजकल
को स्कूल है।
नहीं मंडे को होगा।
मंडे को जन्माष्टमी है।
जन्माष्टमी बट एक्चुअली सर आजकल
स्कूल में डेफिनेटली छुट्टी होगी,
नहीं जन्माष्टमी होती है,
ऑफिस में
हमने
शायद ना हो आपको।
चेक करना था कि 14 की आएगी, बट आजकल सर वो दिस इज अ पीक टाइम फॉर स्टडीज आफ्टर जुलाई समर वेकेशन के बाद ये नवंबर दिसंबर तक ऑलमोस्ट सारा कोर्स खत्म करा देते हैं, देन दे गो इन द रिविजन मोड, तो वो फिर वो एनुअल डे की सेलिब्रेशन के तैयारी में लग जाते हैं, तो वो बेटी मानी
नहीं पॉसिबल।
तो मोस्ट लाइकली मैं चल पड़ूँगा।
अर्पण चलेगा कि नहीं, उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं।
अर्पण यू आर देयर राइट? So Sudhakar had shared one comment, but then I think he had to leave, so he left. So one comment from Sudhakar was neither California Vipassana Center is in Redwood Forest. Another California center is in Redwood Forest. There are trees as tall as 20-story building high. Looking at them reminds me of this sutta. But I think he left after typing this comment while we were doing the discussion. And Arpan is saying that I've informed Bhatti Sahab speaking to him today. And Arpan is also saying that Darsar, ultimately I am the one who is always with you. आप मुझे बदनाम करते रहते हो।
हम देखो, अगर कोई बदनाम हो रहा है तो
नाम भी तो
नाम तो हो ही रहा है ना। मुझे बदनाम कर रहे हैं तो
Good Arpan. So एक बार सर आई थिंक ईमेल में प्लान बना लेंगे।
ठीक। When is he coming? When are you coming, Arpan?
लास्ट में वो कह रही है मैं नहीं आ सकता दस्ता।
About Friday or so.
I do.
Out Friday. See.